$60 a beer is crossing the line.
I'm making a video, Dad. And every time you say something like that's going on the video.
Oh, really? That was on the video?
Yes.
I'll remember it forever now. Nope, $6 too much.
And in the future, when Charlotte's 21 and drinking beers, they're gonna be like
$14 a beer.
Was that awesome or what, Charlotte? Want another one? Oh, she's having a little snack on her blanket. Her eyes are so big. Don't get sad. Don't get sad.